In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix multicam sync issues in Davinci Resolve. Whether you're a professional editor or just starting out, syncing multiple camera angles can be a bit tricky. That's why I'm here to guide you through this process step by step, ensuring that you get it right each time. First, let's launch Davinci Resolve. It's a powerful video editing software known for its comprehensive features and user-friendly interface. Once you have it open, you'll land on the Project Manager page. Here, you'll see all your existing projects. Click on the project where you're experiencing these multicam sync issues. This will open up your workspace and you'll be ready to proceed to the next step. Now head over to the edit page. This is where all the magic happens. You'll find it at the bottom of your screen among other workspace options. Once you're in the edit page, navigate to the upper left corner where the media pool tab is located. Click on it. The media pool is essentially your library of video clips, audio files, and any other media you've imported into Davinci Resolve. From here we can organize our clips and prepare them for multicam editing. Next, locate the clips you want to sync. Once you've found them, select the clips by holding down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking on each clip that you need for your multicam sequence. With your clip selected, right-click on any of the highlighted clips. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Create New Multicam Clip using selected clips. At this point, a dialog box will appear. Here, you'll have options to name your new multicam clip and choose how you'd like to sync your clips, either by sound, in, out, or timecode. For most scenarios, syncing by sound works wonderfully, especially if each camera angle has decent audio quality. But feel free to choose whatever option suits your project best. Once you've made your selection, click Create. Davinci Resolve will then work its magic and sync your clips according to your input. And there you have it, your new multicam clip is now ready for editing. This method ensures that all your camera angles are perfectly in sync, allowing for seamless editing. In just a few simple steps, we've gone from managing unsynced clips to creating a cohesive multicam sequence ready for a polished edit. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it demystified the process of fixing multicam sync issues in Davinci Resolve. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy editing and stay tuned for more tutorials like this.